So guys, I know you've probably been searching for how to make money on your phone. So if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on your phone. Have you ever heard about Forex trading before? So Forex, you can make a whole lot of money in Forex trading if you know what you're doing. So with Forex is all about buying and selling of one or two like currency pairs. Let's for example GBP USD. GBP is the base currency, whereas USD is the quote currency. So you can make money with just your phone. If you have a laptop, it's okay, but you can also make money with just your phone trading Forex. And I know a whole lot of people who do that, including myself. So guys, that's that. Now, why I say that is because Forex is one of the largest traded financial markets. Over 7 trillion is being traded every single day on the Forex market. So guys, so you can make money trading Forex. Now, what do you need to begin trading Forex? You need trading apps. You need some apps to begin trading Forex. So trading apps, number one, you need trading view. Number two, you need MetaTrader 4, MT4/MT5. And number three, you need position size calculator. So guys, these are the three things you need before you can start trading. The first thing I said, you need trading view. Now trading view, so trading view is the one that you'll be using to analyze the market. That's what you'll be using to do your analysis, everything. So currently is the app I am on now. You can see the charts here. That's what I'm using to do my analysis. And then the second thing is MT4 or MT5. Currently MT5 is the latest version, but you can also use MT4. MT5, that's where you'll be executing your trades. It's one you'll be using to open the positions, you use it to execute your trades and all that. And the last one is position size calculator. Position size calculator. So the position size calculator is one that you use to calculate your margin, your positions, like how much are you willing to risk. This is the calculator that you will use to know the position or the lot size you will use to open a position. So guys, you need these three things: trading view, MT4, MT5, and the third one is the position size calculator. So, and that's that. These are the only things you need to start making money in the Forex market. And that's that. Now, bonus tip, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to analyze a chart on the Forex chart, or how to analyze a market on the Forex chart. So let's dive in. Let me delete these things. Okay, now we move on to higher time frame. I'm going to do a top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. What is a top-down analysis? Top-down analysis is the analysis whereby you start analyzing from the higher time frame. Let's say weekly, then you come down to the daily, come down to the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, until you reach your execution time frame. That's top-down analysis. Top down, from top down, top to bottom. That's top-down analysis. So now currently I'm on weekly time frame on gold. This is gold. So as you can see, the market is trending upward. This is what's an uptrend. This is an uptrend. You see, gold has been trending up. So what defines an uptrend? An uptrend is you see a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is an uptrend. But what if it is a downtrend? You see a series of what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So here is what? Higher high. This is higher high. Sorry, higher low. And this is higher high. High, higher high, higher low, higher low. And this is an uptrend. Now this is a downtrend. Now the downtrend now will be what? A higher high, sorry, a lower high and a lower low. Lower high, because it is higher than the previous high. That's why it is what? A higher high, a lower high. Now this is a lower, it is lower, lower low. Now lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Alright, so guys, this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend, and that's that, guys. That's a trend. And let's go back to the chart. So guys, now currently I'm on a weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. Now you can see this is a series of what? Higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Just like how I just explained it to you guys. This is what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Currently this is our lower low. So this is what? An uptrend. So we've identified our trend. The first thing we do is identify the trend. Now we know the trend is what? Is an uptrend and is going up. Then we move on to our lower time frame. Now our lower time frame now is also what? Is also an uptrend. But if you observe, the market currently has been trading within this range. You can see the market has been trading between here here. So the market has never moved beyond this level, and it's just like the market has been ranging, or it has, yeah, market has been ranging. Market has never moved beyond this level, but from our higher time frame, we know that what we are looking for, what a buying opportunity, or the market is currently upward. Or if you are more of like an SMC trader, you observe that this is a swing here, and here is also a swing. Now if you observe here, this is 1 hour change of character. 1 hour change of character. Sorry, daily change of character. Because the market broke this level, you can see the market was going up and then came down, violated, like changed direction. So now currently the market is kind of like in a short-term selling position. The market broke this lower low. You can see we have a higher high here, a low, a higher low, a higher high, and then the markets violated this level and formed a strong bearish level. This is what a higher low. It came below this level, and that's what there is a shift. There is a market structural shift here, meaning we are currently what in a selling position. So, and if you observe again, the market failed to like create a new higher high than this one. On the norms, we're supposed to like have, after coming down, we're supposed to like have something higher than this again. But if you observe, the market failed to do that, and has been respecting this level. It came here, test that same level again, and is like unable to go beyond it. So what was that telling you? It's telling you that what we are currently in a short-term selling position, and what should you be looking for? You should be looking for selling opportunities, because the market is respecting this level 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So currently you should be looking for opportunities to sell. Now this is our 1 hour time frame, and what should you should be looking for opportunities to sell. And now I'm seeing my supply zone here. So supply, if you are looking for opportunities to sell, you look for your supply zone. If you are looking for opportunities to buy, you look for your demand zone. Now currently I've been looking for my supply zone, then I found my supply zone, my daily supply zone here. You can see I found my daily supply zone here. I have a very short fair value gap between that level. So this is a supply zone here. So this will be what our daily supply zone. Daily supply zone. Daily supply zone. So what am I expecting? I'm waiting for the market to tap into this level. If market tap into this level, then I'll look for what reactions. Then I'll look for selling opportunity down to this level. So guys, that's that. Very simple. But now, if that's our higher time listing. Our higher time supply zone. Now I'll come down to my 4 hour time frame, look for reactions, and when I see reactions here, then I sell, because the market is currently in a short-term selling position. But if you observe from the higher time frame, we're in an uptrend, but we are currently in a short-term selling position. So guys, that's that, and that's how you make money trading forex. If you understand the basic, if you're interested in learning how to trade and how to analyze the chart like this, I have a 1 week Forex beginners class coming up. You can chat me on WhatsApp or message me anywhere. You can DM me here, you can chat me if you're interested to learn how to trade. So I have a 1 week beginners class coming up. If you're interested, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, guys. So guys, that's that. Very simple and very easy.